and welcome, my friends. Today we are talking about the Sephora, I think it's called the holiday sale this year. Yes, the holiday savings event, and my list, what I may or may not be picking up this holiday event. During this event, you can get 20% off if you are a VIB Rouge member, which I am this year. I'm not sure if I will be next year. You can get 15% off if you are just a VIB, or you can get 10% off if you are just a beauty insider. So, like I said, I am a VIB Rouge member, which means I am eligible for 20% off of all of my Sephora orders. For Rouge members, the sale starts on October 30th through November 9th. For VIB members, it starts November 3rd through the 9th. And for beauty insiders, it starts November 5th through the 9th. So Sephora Rouges get first chance to shop the sale, and then VIB, and then beauty insiders. I will also leave all of that information down below in case you need a reminder. My list this year I don't think is very outrageous, and I definitely won't be picking up everything on my list, but I thought I would just chat about the few things that I'm interested in picking up from Sephora, and you'll have to let me know if any of these align with what you want to pick up from Sephora if you are going to be shopping the sale, or maybe they're just on your wish list, and you'll just have to let me know what is on your wish list. Maybe there are some things that I am missing out on. So I have a total of 11 items on my list. Let me just scroll through. Oh wait, I am in fact missing something. Hold on. There are a total of 12 items on my list. I have got them all in my basket, so they are all in one neat, wait a minute. Okay, wait, there's technically 11 things I think in my basket. 2 of them are essentially the same thing. One is just a travel size, one is a full size. I'll explain when we get there. Okay. So let's start off with the first thing on my list. This has been on my list for quite a while, and it is a makeup brush. This is the Fenty Beauty Face Shaping Brush 125. I'm really interested in this for cream bronzer and blush products because I haven't really found a good brush that I like for cream products, especially cream bronzers. And this one I think was designed specifically for her cream bronzers, which I own one of, and I think it looks pretty. It looks like it would work really well. It is $34, so definitely a little bit pricey, but if I got it during the sale, then I would save, what is that, $6.80, which would put it under $30, which would be nice to get it during that time. This is kind of lower on my list though, so I don't know if now is a time when I would exactly want to pick it up, but maybe. Because I have gotten a few new brushes recently, like from Rare Beauty, that I really love. So we'll see. Ooh, next I have a couple of Rare Beauty. Rare Beauty, if you did not know, is a brand that was recently launched by Selena Gomez. I actually have a few things from her already. So I have the brushes. So I have the foundation and concealer brushes. I have used them both many a times, and I really love these. I know this isn't exactly a recommendations video. I really love both of these. Have I gotten anything else from them? Oh, I also picked up one of her blushes. They are very pigmented. You have to be very careful. I got one in the shade Joy, which I think is one of her dewy blushes. I did really like this, but I've only used it, I think, twice, so I don't have a full opinion on that one yet. So those are the 3 things that I already own from Rare Beauty. Top of my list is the Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Weightless foundation and the concealer, which I'm just now realizing is not in my basket. So one moment, please. Let me add that before I forget it. So I think the concealer is higher up on my list than the foundation. I've heard mixed reviews about the foundation, so I'm not sure. I'm a little nervous to pick that up because I've had some not so great experiences with some recent foundations that I've picked up, but I'm very interested in the concealer. I have heard really great things about the concealer, so that one is on the top of my list. The foundation though is still on my list. I'm still interested in trying it, but I haven't heard the best things about it, so I do need to do a little bit more research. Also though, from Rare Beauty, she has 2 sets that I'm interested in. The first is the Best of Beauty Lip and Cheek Mini Duo. This comes with a small size of the Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in Thankful, which is a nude mauve with a dewy finish, and it also comes with a Sift Pinch Liquid Blush. Was that supposed to be Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in Bliss? I think there might be a misspelling on the Sephora website. I would think that's supposed to be Soft Pinch, but the color is in Bliss, which is a nude pink with a matte finish. I think Bliss is very similar to Joy, which is the blush that I have right now, but this is a dewy finish, and the one that comes in this set is a matte finish, and I am interested in trying out the matte blush. So very interested in both of those. I have also not tried the dewy lip balm which comes in this set, so both those two items I'm very interested in. But the other set that she's got is the Best of Rare Beauty lip and cheek set. Isn't that, oh, the duo was the first one that I talked about. This is the set, and this comes with 2 of her blushes, a dewy lip balm, and one of her lip souffle matte lip creams. So it comes with a soft pinch liquid blush, it's spelled correctly here, in Love, which is a terracotta with a matte finish, and then Joy, which is a muted peach with a dewy finish. So Joy is the one that I already have, so I would have to pass that one, the little mini that I would get in this set, on to somebody else. But everything else in this set I don't currently have, and I am interested in trying. So we have the blush in Love, and then we also have the Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm in Support, which is a plum brown with a dewy finish, and then a Lip Souffle Matte Lip Cream in Transform, which is a deep wine with a matte finish. I can't believe I forgot to talk about that. I do have those. I actually have 2 shades of the Lip Souffles, which are honestly, I don't know, I really love these, but I also really love the brushes, so I'm not sure which one would be top. But I really love the lip souffles. I cannot believe that I forgot to talk about them. So I have one in the shade Fearless, which I've used a whole bunch. And then I also recently picked up the shade Strengthen, which is this really deep, beautiful purpley color. I haven't tried this one yet, but I did pick that up recently. So I do have those 2, which makes me very interested to try more colors, like this one, for example, which was the shade Transform, which is a deep wine. It's more of a red than Strengthen is. Strengthen is more of a purpley color, and then the one that comes in this set, Transform, is more of a deep red wine color. Very good, I think, for this fall winter time. So I'm very interested in that set, and that one retails for $28, which I think is a really great value, because you're getting 4 items. The blushes, a little goes a long way. It would take a very long time to get through those, and then lip products in general, at least for me, take a long time to get through. So very interested in both of those sets. So I think that's all of the Rare Beauty items. Next on my list is another lip product. This is by Lila B. It is their Luxe Lip Oil Mini Duo, and this comes with the shades Be Elegant and Be Remarkable. I'm actually wearing one of those lip oils on my lips today. It is this one right here. This is in the shade Be Sincere. I love this. I really love this. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it because it just kind of seemed like a lip gloss-ish, but I don't really know what else to say about it except for I just simply really enjoy this formula. It's comfortable, it's opaque enough that you actually get color out of it, and I mean there's a lot of product in one of these, but this set comes with 2 shades, smaller sizes. The set retails for $22 but is a $36 value, so again I think the value is definitely there, and this is a product that I really like so far. So the 2 shades that it comes with, like I said, Be Elegant, which is a perfect nude, and then Be Remarkable, which is a berry wine, which I would be very excited to try the berry wine in this formula. And this has really great reviews. People seem to like it. Ooh, next is the only eyeshadow that I have on my list, and this is the Natasha Denona Mini Zendo palette. I really like this palette. I don't know what it is about it. It definitely doesn't feel very fall or winter to me. It feels a little bit more spring, and I really don't need more eyeshadow right now because I think I've recently purchased some eyeshadows and I just don't really need eyeshadow right now, but this is on my list. I would like to get this at some point. I don't know what it is. It looks so pretty. I mean, if I really look at each of the individual shades, I probably have very similar shades in my collection already. So do I need it? I mean, I probably never need any eyeshadow ever again because I have so many of them, if I'm being absolutely honest. But this is a wish list, and it's something I would wish to have, but it's definitely not at the top of my list. Ooh, next is something that I will probably definitely pick up, and maybe even 2 of, and that is the Pharmacy Honey Butter Beeswax Lip Balm. It does retail for $10, which is a little bit pricey for a lip balm, but I have gone through quite a few of these. I usually keep 2 around. I usually keep 1 in my purse and then 1 in my bathroom, and I apply it well, the one in my bathroom I apply in the morning and in the evening, and then the one in my purse I, you know, just apply whenever I need it. So I usually like to have two. Both of mine recently have run out, so I have used them up, and I'm interested in replacing them because I really like those lip balms, and they're cruelty-free and they're from Pharmacy, which I do like that brand. So I'll probably pick up at least one, maybe two. Ooh, next is a sort of foundation. I got a sample of this foundation a while back and used it up and actually really liked it. This is the Cosus Tinted Face Oil Foundation. It does retail for $42, and they have an okay amount of shades. So I did try this, and it was nice. I did worry that I was breaking out a little bit from it, but that could have just been what was going on in my life whilst I was trying out this foundation. But I really liked the way that it looked on my skin. It settled in onto my skin really well, but it didn't look, it looked like a satin kind of finish, and it wasn't heavy and it wasn't super oily or cakey or anything like that. I really genuinely liked the look of this foundation. So this actually might be a lot higher on my list than I initially was thinking, because I don't have a lot of foundations right now. I have 4, I just looked. So I could grow my foundation collection a little bit more than it is right now, and that would be really great. Actually, that would be pretty nice. Next, I have something else that I'm pretty positive I am going to pick up. This is the Youth to the People Superfood Air with Moisturizer and Hyaluronic Acid. This is the moisturizer that I use every morning and night, and I really like it. It's great. It's probably one of my favorites, and I've purchased this the last couple times that I've needed to repurchase a moisturizer, and I'll probably purchase it again unless I find something else that I'd like to try out. Ooh, next is a product by Ilia. This is the thing that I have twice in my basket, sort of. This is one of their mascaras, and they have it in a mini and they have it in a full size. This is their Limitless Lash Lengthening Mascara, and I'm interested in this because it has 2 sides to the wand, and I'm just interested in trying that out and seeing how it works on my lashes. I might try out the mini size. I feel like there's sort of a difference between usually minis and larger sizes, but maybe not. Maybe it would be sufficient to try out the mini. The mini is $13, and then the full size is $28. Now that I think about it, if I'm gonna get it on sale anyways, maybe it would be smart to just get the bigger size. Maybe. I don't know. So that's on my wish list to try, and that's probably pretty high up there. Let's see. Oh, and we're on to the last thing. All right, the last thing on my list is a perfume. So if you didn't know, I'm looking for a signature perfume scent, and the brand that I've been trying out recently is the brand By Rosie Jane. They're a cruelty-free perfume brand, and they have a bunch of different smells. They have a bunch of different scents. I've already tried Angie, which I didn't really like. It was a little too dry florally for me. And then I've tried Lila Lou, which I like but don't love. The next one on my list that I want to try is the scent Rosie. So the scent Rosie by Rosie Jane, and yeah, so I'm really interested in trying that. This is pretty high on my list too, because I'm just really itching to find a signature scent that I love, because I used to really love Black Opium, but they're not cruelty free, so I will not be repurchasing them. And those are all the items that are on my wish list, unless something comes up between now and the beginning of the VIB sale. I'll definitely be picking up some of these items, but not all of them, because the total cost of my basket right now is $338, which is far too much. I mean, I would save 20% on that, and that would bring it under $200, but still, that's just a bit too much. I might pick up like half of these items. Again, we'll just have to see. The definite things is the moisturizer, or a moisturizer if it doesn't end up being this one, and the lip balms. Those are the only 2 definite things. The skincare items, would you look at that? Again, you'll have to let me know if any of these items are on your wish list, or what is on your wish list from Sephora. I would love to know down in the comments below. And if I end up picking some things up, I will definitely share with you in some kind of haul video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.